everything comes from within. Everything, without exception, comes from you. If the sounds, what you see, your sensations, and joy is your natural state. Just because you're here, there is joy. Just because you open your eyes, there is joy. Just because you're breathing, there is joy. Even if you stop breathing, there is joy. Joy never ends. Now, we add ideas over it. And then somebody tells you, no, there is something else. It's called happiness. And the pursuit of happiness, that is suffering, because you are joy, and now they told you there's something bigger than that. That is a lie. But we were told when we were children, hey, be somebody. But what about me? No, be somebody. Yeah, but I'm feeling the joy of being alive. No, there's something greater than that. They're called things, stuff, an image, fame. Just go after it. And then you are like a horse or a donkey, better a donkey, running. You have a carrot, a stick with a carrot hanging, and you just pursue something that is impossible because you're already what you're looking for. So joy is when you realize who you truly are. That comes within you. No, it's not about stuff. You can be without stuff, but if you just let go the idea that you're running after, the joy is there.